Got out the old Xbox One. Apex Legends. Icy Ed Banks, level 101. Let's see what stats I have on here. Okay. Let's see what I got with Watson. 119 kills, 100 games played. Flexing those badges. Okay, 100 kills with Watson. Let's see what I got with Lifeline. 69 Season 2 wins, 2K badge. Pretty swag. Let's see what I got with Jibby. 70 kills. Nice. Let's see what I have with Blothhunde. Wait. Oh, I have 16 packs apparently. 176 headshots. Very cool. Bangalore. 337 kills. Got the solo win with Bangalore. Let's go with Caustic. Wait, what? 31 kills. Bot. I'm a bot. Let's see what we got with Path. Ooh, 457 kills. Not bad. And then let's see what we got with Wraith. 245. Okay, not bad. Octane. Bot. 25 kills. Mirage. Doesn't even say how many kills, but definitely bot status. Anyone else? I think that was it. So my best was definitely Lifeline. And then I got, this is my lifetime, 130 wins. This is, for some reason, this only has Season 2 stats on it. So this is my Season 2 stats. Highest kills, 15. 1.38, that's not bad. Let's see what my ranked, apparently I made Platinum 3. Ranked KD 1.11. Win streak of 3, apparently. Not bad. Alright, well, those are my stats from Apex Legends Season 2, which apparently is all that's on here. So now time to open some packs. Well, crypto. Let's see if I can get an heirloom out of any of these. Bot stuff. Oh, a legendary. Oh, legendary Hemlock. Let's go. Keep them going. Oh, an epic. That's what I'm talking about. Epic Hemlock. Wow, they really love to give me the Hemlock skins. Some bot stuff. More bot stuff. Come on, heirloom. Come on, heirloom. We're dropping all these packs, boys. Seem to not be getting any heirlooms so far. Rampart. Come on, give me the goods. Give me the goods. Alright, 4 more. Ew. Legendary, not an heirloom. Oh, legendary crafting materials. Swag. Come on, heirloom. 2 more packs. 2 more packs, will I get it? Oh no. Last chance for an heirloom on Xbox. Oh no, at least I got an epic though, you know. Gotta take what you can get. Devo. Well, that about wraps that up. GG's, and I'll see you next time. Peace.